Hello guys. In this video, we will learn about RabbitMQ supported protocols. I will share info based on RabbitMQ official documentations only. RabbitMQ supports several messaging protocols, directly and through the use of plugins. Few are MQP 091 and extensions, STOMP, MQTT, AMQP 1.0, HTTP and WebSockets. Let's understand each one of these. AMQP 091. RabbitMQ was originally developed to support AMQP 091. This protocol is the core protocol supported by the broker. All of these variants are fairly similar to each other. AMQP, Advanced Message Queuing Protocol, 091 is a binary protocol, and defines quite strong messaging semantics. For clients it's a reasonably easy protocol to implement, and as such there are a large number of client libraries available for many different programming languages and environments. Let's see STOMP. STOMP is a text-based messaging protocol emphasizing protocol simplicity. It defines little in the way of messaging semantics, but is easy to implement and very easy to implement partially. It's the only protocol that can be used by hand over Telnet. RabbitMQ supports STOMP, all current versions, via a plugin. Let's see MQTT. MQTT is a binary protocol emphasizing lightweight publish-subscribe messaging, targeted towards clients in constrained devices. It has well-defined messaging semantics for publish-subscribe, but not for other messaging idioms. RabbitMQ supports MQTT 3.1 via a plugin. AMQP 1.0. Despite the name, AMQP 1.0 is a radically different protocol from AMQP 091, 09, 08, sharing essentially nothing at the wire level. AMQP 1.0 imposes far fewer semantic requirements. It is therefore easier to add support for AMQP 1.0 to existing brokers. The protocol is substantially more complex than AMQP 091, and there are fewer client implementations. RabbitMQ supports AMQP 1.0 via a plugin. Now last protocol is HTTP and WebSockets. While HTTP is not really a messaging protocol. However, RabbitMQ can transmit messages over HTTP in three ways. The Web STOMP plugin supports STOMP messaging to the browser using WebSockets. The Web MQTT plugin supports MQTT messaging to the browser using WebSockets. The Management plugin supports a simple HTTP API to send and receive messages. This is primarily intended for diagnostic purposes but can be used for low-volume messaging without reliable delivery. That's all for protocols. See you in next video.